Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I know I haven't been on here in a little while. It's probably been a good 2 months, and I got sick and my son got sick, and it just kind of life just got in the way. So I haven't been on here in a little while, but now I am back and feeling much better, and things are just going much better. So I wanted to come back and do my first tutorial actually on the Colorpop Ellery lipsticks. I've actually had them for a while when they first came out, but of course I wasn't able to do a video yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and review those colors with everybody. And I did purchase all 6 colors here. These are what the colors look like here. I have, what does it say? Ceci. I have Yoshi, Steelo, Renmin, Aneta, and Anyways. And I also have here her Ellarie's Colorpop just lippy liner. I don't believe it has like an actual name, but I think it might be just called Ellery because that's what it says. So I did buy all 6 colors, and I did want to try them out, see how they work out, if they're vibrant or not. I haven't worn them yet specifically, so that when I do the review in the video, it'll be my first time trying them out as well. So I have waited long enough, and I am ready to show you guys what these things are looking like. So hopefully everything's good and the formulas are great. And I've already applied my Vaseline on my lips because matte sometimes can be a little bit too matte for my lips. So I've already gone ahead and applied that. So we're gonna go ahead and try them out. Okay, let's get started. So the first color here is Anyways. It is an ultra matte lip. This is what it looks like. I think the packaging is really cute. They did a good job with that. So let's try out the color here, honey. Sometimes I have to put more than one layer on my lips because my lips are already dark. So I'm gonna try a little bit more because we can't have this pink showing, as you can see. Okay guys, so here is Anyways. It's like a chocolate brown. This color I'm kind of feeling it. It's cute. It's not dry. To me, it's very light. I actually have mattes that feel way different than this one does. But this is the color here. But like I said, I feel like the formula is pretty good. It feels super lightweight. I don't feel the moisture being sucked out of my lips, which of course probably has some kind of contribution to the Vaseline that I put on my lips before. But other than that, I do kind of like this color. I don't normally go for too many dark colors. I do like chocolate browns on some people, but I'm a little hesitant sometimes on myself because I'm already chocolate girl. But it's actually not bad. I do like it. It's very cute on camera. Yeah, I think I like it. So yeah, tell me what you think. Okay guys, so I finally got Anyways off of my lips. I had to buff it just a little bit on my lips. Okay, so let's try out our second color here. Okay, so the second color that we're going to try out is Aneta. It looks like this here. And it is an ultra glossy lip. Whoa. Okay, so this one, to me, this one kind of looks like, this looks like a nude to me. Like this is somebody's nude. On me, I feel like it's a little light. It looks light to me. But it looks like a nude. I know it kind of looks pink on camera probably, but the formula feels really good. It doesn't feel too sticky. It does feel lightweight. I think with this color, I would probably wear a liner with it and kind of, you know, put this a little bit in the middle and around. I probably wouldn't wear it just by itself in my personal opinion, but it's not bad. I think I just have to put a liner with it. And you know what? It might be just something I have to get used to, because sometimes when I do wear lipsticks that are this light, I do put a liner with it. So to me, it looks really loud, but I actually like it. I do think I like it. Okay, guys, so the next color we're gonna try on is Ceci. Looks like a burgundy. When I look at it, it looks like a burgundy, but it looks like it has a little purple in it too. Ooh, I think I like this one. I like burgundies anyways, so let's see. Okay, guys, so this is what the color Ceci looks like. It's actually a very pretty cranberry to me. Once again, it's lightweight. But I really like this color. For a while, I wouldn't wear reds. Like, you wouldn't catch me dead in a red, because I just felt like it was so bold, and I couldn't get it to make it look more to kind of settle with me a little bit and not look so loud, even though red is technically loud. But I've gotten more experienced and now I know how to make it look good. But before, I would not wear any reds or any type of cranberries. I just felt like it just was like dark, too dark basically, or too bright. But I actually really like this color. This is a beautiful color actually. And I love that it's matte too. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. All right, the only thing is they're a little hard to get off, especially this red, but I'll get it off. Okay guys, so I finally got that red off. It was a little bit of a challenge, but I did get it off. As you can see, I still have a little bit of a red tint, but it was a little difficult to get off, but I finally got it off. So we're gonna go ahead and try our next color. So next color we're gonna try is also a matte lip. It's the color Yoshi. I love, love, love purples on my lips, especially chocolate girls. I just feel like there are certain colors that look so beautiful on us, and you know, that's like your purples and your blues and your oranges. Like, I just feel like color can just look so amazing on us. So I'm going to try this Yoshi out, but I think it's so pretty. Like, look at that. That is so beautiful. So let's try this out. See what this is looking like. Ooh, see, I already like it. Like, on the camera as I'm looking at it, looks really, really pink. I guess it is kind of. Okay guys, so this is what Yoshi looks like. When I look at it on my camera, it looks very pink. It looks extremely pink, but the actual color is actually more purple. But if I look in my mirror, it looks more purple, but then when I look down, of course, my camera, it's very pink. Normally, if this was as pink as it is in the camera, I would be completely like, oh God, kind of freaked out a little bit, because I don't normally wear this bright of a pink unless I'm going to ombre it. But I think it's a really pretty color. It is very vibrant for sure. It's definitely a summer color. Like I said, I probably wouldn't wear this without some type of lip liner. Because it is so vibrant, but I do really like it. It is a pretty color. This is what it looks like as I get closer. But yeah, it is really pretty. It's definitely really pretty. It just needs a lip liner, in my personal opinion, if I'm going to wear it, which I definitely will. Okay guys, so next color we're going to try on is the another ultra lip gloss. This is Steelo. I am a lip gloss type of girl, so I already know I'm gonna like this because I don't go nowhere without any lip gloss, and I probably keep about 2 or 3 lip glosses in my car just in case. I never walk out the house without one. So I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be liking this one. So let's try it out. It's a normal basic lip gloss. A little bit of brown, a little bit of gold in it, a little gold shimmer is what it looks like. So of course I like this. I love this. Like I said, I'm a lip gloss girl, so 9 times out of 10, I already knew I was gonna like this one. It's simple. It's something that I can wear anywhere. I can wear over a color if I wanted to. Put it with my lipsticks and put this color over it. But I think it's a very pretty color. Okay guys, so the next color that we're gonna try, and the last color, is going to be Renmin. So I actually want to go ahead and use the lippy with this one. I saw that she recommends that you wear the lippy with this one. I think it can pretty much go, well, not with all of them, but I think it can you probably can wear it with different ones, of course. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this in, and I'm gonna ombre this one. Because it is a red, I'm definitely gonna ombre this one. Okay guys, let me just start by saying that this pencil is super soft. It feels like felt. That's how soft it is. It feels really good. Let me just blend this out a little bit. But that tip felt really, really good. Let's go ahead and put that red in there. All right. I am really feeling this. Okay. Let me not. Okay, guys. So here is Renmin and the Ellarie's lippy stick. I think this is very pretty. And the more I sit here and blend it out in my mirror, the more appealing it looks to me. This is so pretty. The red is very vibrant, but with the outer edges of the Ellarie's stick, I think it looks so pretty. The more I look at it in the mirror as well, it actually reminds me of back when I was a little girl, how my mom used to wear her lipsticks. It looked like this. It actually, and then too, it reminds me of like the 90s when they used to do this with their lipsticks as well. But I think it's super, super pretty. I feel like the more I sit here, it's just gonna get better. This is just it, just a little bit closer, but it's super, super pretty. I definitely like it. Okay guys, so we have officially tried on all 6 colors and the Ellarie's lippy stick, and in my personal opinion, I think they all came out great. I love the formula, I love the texture. I think the matte is matte, but it's not too drying as I've had with other brands before. I think the glossy is great. I think the formula for that is fine, and I don't feel like it's too sticky as if I have honey on my lips. And eventually when I start to feel like that with glosses, I want to take them off because it's just too sticky, and that can dry my lips out as well. So I think both came out great. I think the matte is great. I think the glossy is great. The color payoffs are very pretty as well. So as far as I'm concerned, I love them all. Okay guys, so thank you so much for joining my video. Once again, comment, like, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of the colors. Did you think the mattes were great? Did you think the glossies were great? If you've actually tried these colors yourself, what was your favorite? What was your least favorite? So until then guys, we'll see you later. Bye.